Okay, so let's learn a tabletop pirouette. It's one of my favorites, if I'm honest. I think it might be a little easier. It might not be for you, who knows? Comment down below, let me know what you thought about it, words. Anyways, let's move on. So, same principle as your standard pirouette that we learned. Boom, turning around. It is still a step on one foot. 'Tis what a pirouette is. I'm going to show you what a tabletop pirouette looks like. Boom, pretty, right? So on this one, we are turning away from the pole and back in. Away from the pole and back in. You can also argue that you're going in, but a normal pirouette, you're going in, right? In, out, gets all confusing. Either way, we are starting with this grip, what I'd call a tabletop, because all your servants grip, palm facing up, right? So, we are going to start by placing our hand, the L, between the thumb and the index finger, onto the palm facing up. It feels like I'm pushing the pole away from me, so I can walk or slide past this little gap, this window that I've created to come out again. Palm faces up. I start lifting my elbow so I can create this gap and I come out again. Good, other side. Outside hand goes to the pole. We turn away from the pole, start pushing as if we are pushing something over our head so we can slide and get through the gap. Let's try that again. This time, let's step with the outside leg. Inside, outside, doesn't really matter, experiment. I encourage you to experiment. Either leg, steps, outside hand, goes to the pole. We turn away, get ourselves through the gap to come back, actually facing the other way. So it's like a turn and a half on this one. How fun. Other side. Let's try stepping with the inside leg. Outside hand takes the pole. I slide through the little gap and come out. Step, grab, push myself through and come out. Can we do it with the inside hand? I'm sure that we could. Boom, and yes we can. Like I said, pirouettes are super diverse, right? You can do them going into the pole, going backwards, using your inside leg, using your outside leg, using your inside hand, using your outside hand. You get the point. You can do it in any way. I encourage you to experiment. I encourage you to try all these things, right? There are so many different variations that we can find. So, let's do that one more time. This time we're going to be on the balls of the feet. We're going to take a step, either or. I'm going to start with my outside. Outside limbs are going to be working. Ooh. Step outside, grab outside, push through, come out. Other side. Actually, same side, but different limbs, inside limbs. Stepping here, L, going through the gap and coming out. Step, step, round, step, round, step, round, step, round. I really like this variation because you can go forward, backward. You can confuse your audience because that's what we love to do. You like to make little pretty swirls, turns. And if you can make something look like, whoa, what just happened? Awesome, right? So, to recap, stepping on either leg does not matter. Starting with either hand does not matter. The only thing that matters with a tabletop pirouette is where we have our hand. Palm facing up, pole goes into the L. And we are trying to get through this little gap. Boom. Step, L, round. Step, L, round. Let me know what you thought of that. I hope you enjoyed it. Tag me. Let me know how that went. I want to see all your progress. Have a good day.